are back again with another holiday road trip. We've got a few errands to run here in town first. Menko's gonna get comfortable with the car here, and then we're gonna hit the open road. We're heading to the Thrifty Scotsman for lunch, which if you're ever in the Spokane area and want some McDonald's, don't go to McDonald's, go here instead. It's cheaper and better. Woohoo! Look at that. We both got the Little Papa, which is just a double bacon cheeseburger. Leah and I, since we have family on the other side of the state that we're going to see right now, we have a little tradition of opening gifts before we leave, so we did that this morning. So we're just having a chill little Christmas morning for ourselves. Oh, I suppose I should mention it is currently the 21st. We're gonna polish off these fries on the road. We got to stop for gas and then we'll be out of here. All right, the car and us are all fueled up. We've got about a 6-hour drive to go, so let's knock that out. I don't think we're really gonna be stopping too much.
Stop gas.
Even though we're driving through snow here right now, this has been one of the warmer and wettest winters that we've had so far here in the Pacific Northwest. And due to flooding, we're actually gonna have to go through a detour here because the road got washed out. And now we are able to get back on the highway, and actually you can still see the river is roaring. Leo went with a coffee, I went for a Mountain Dew. I've actually started to prefer this to energy drinks on drives because it's a little bit of a slower burn on the caffeine, less of a crash. We got to get back on the road. We've got about 3 hours left to go. This is definitely the funnest part of the drive. We're getting off of the main highways. Once more, we've made it out to the cabin property. If you've been watching the channel, you know that I've done a video on this living out here before, but if anything new and interesting happens, I'll bring you along. I will see you then. It's currently Monday. I just got off of work, and as you can see here, he's working on clearing some trails with the excavator, so I'm just gonna probably hang out while he does that, though it is starting to rain, so I'm not so sure about that. We'll see. Man, this thing is not fast. I could walk faster than it. There's a good example of how slow it is. I've run up to catch up to it for both of those shots. It's driven past me and I can just walk, catch right back up to it. Not too bad, eh? Menko, is this your first time seeing a big puddle? Is that pretty interesting? Just a puddle pretty interesting. There's your kitty. Yeah, you think you'll go away? You'll go away from the puddle? That's probably a good choice. Bye-bye, kitty. Menko, is that a good spot? Is that a good, yeah, that's a good spot. There's a good spot. There's a good kitty. You getting the scritches? Oh my goodness. Well, it's another day. We got the three-wheeler out here. I just took a break from work to come check on what he was up to, and he's up there limbing the tree, it looks like.
I guess I'd better go get back to work here. It's always nice to take a break and, you know, head out into the wilderness instead of, I don't know, playing on my phone or whatever. He's going to end up taking that in, dragging it out probably with the tractor there and taking it into a lumber mill and getting it turned into lumber. A lot of the projects you see on the property are made with lumber that we've harvested ourselves and had milled professionally. I suppose I should mention that all the lumber that we get out of here is from trees that have fallen down, and so we don't go around logging or anything. We just take trees that are already fallen and turn them into lumber. All right, now back to work. Menko, is there a slug on the window screen? Have you been bothering the slug? That's kind of rude. Enjoying this little tour of the Kalich Lumber Company. I've got to go get some other tools that he left over at this site, but we're getting all the logs out. This year it's Christmas Eve at Leah's parents, so we're heading out for that right now, and we'll be having Christmas morning tomorrow here at the cabin. Well, we've enjoyed Christmas Eve dinner and gift exchange with Leah's parents, and now we're heading back home to the cabin to sleep and then do it all over again tomorrow with my family. Sure is a hectic few days, but as you might know, it's certainly enjoyable. We're gonna knock on a podcast, knock out this hour-and-a-half drive, and then hit the hay. Oh, hi, kitty, we're back. Yeah, that's a good girl. Yeah, we smell like other animals, don't we? And this Leah. That's a good girl.
There's dust coming out with the bottom. What do you think?
Manko, did someone put something on your tail? What happened? What happened? What happened? You gonna get it off? You got a new accessory. What are you gonna do about it? That's a good girl. Yeah, she said, please take it off. That's a good girl. Okay, I'll take it off. See it? She is not a fan of the springs she got for Christmas. We are done with Christmas morning, and we're just gonna head in about a half hour to my grandparents for Christmas dinner.
Oh, yeah. That was a swamp coming. I got it, threw it in the master bedroom closed.
Heading out a little early because Leah wasn't feeling the best, and I wanted to be able to drive home before I started feeling sick if I end up catching it. And it's not fun to be away from home when you're sick. So it's only, what, Friday now, so we're gonna head home. It's about 3 o'clock, get home about 9, and spend the next weekend at home just chillaxing.
I'm not in the mood, but you'll be here soon. Everything feels wrong, guess I'm just in a bad mood.
Like a
I'm broken hearted over something that never was. Never was, never was.
stopped and got a Mountain Dew before we do the mountain pass. It only seemed fitting. Actually, we were kind of getting a little tired.
If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this. I thought it'd be me and you. It's hard to be your friend when you act this way. What message are you trying to send? What's this game you play?
The detour is still here. They have not fixed the road yet. If you remember from the beginning of the video, it's been a long time, I know. But they are working right now at 5:55 on the Friday after Christmas. They really are working to get it fixed. I hope they didn't have to work on Christmas, but I wouldn't have been surprised.
I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this.
You're a good girl. You.
Another restroom stop, Menko. Is that exciting?
Me and
Yeah, you're a good girl.
Really quick here, we've got a Sabritas lime and salt peanut review. All right, here we go. Those are freaking delicious. Those are tasty. Heck yeah, those might be my favorite type of peanuts I've found.
the oceans away.
Little update, it's gotten pretty icy out. I did a lane change and thought I got a flat tire because the rear came out. So we're just chilling here behind this truck going about 50 miles an hour so we don't end up with the back end in front of the front end. We only got about a half hour left at normal speed, so not too far.
I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew what you
As we pull into home, you should stick around to see Menko make a run for the door, as well as see how much this car is squatting with my 68-pound Christmas gift in the back. But I would like to thank you for watching. I hope you'll subscribe to see future adventures. We should be doing a lot of snow camping in the Volvo this winter. And like this video if you like seeing the adventures we go on with Menko the cat. Leave a comment down below if you've got any suggestions, complaints. I don't know anything else. Thanks for watching. I will see you again next week. Our Christmas lights aren't on.
Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, go ahead. Through the boxes. Yeah, I know, I'm working on it. I'm working on it, kitty. So patient. So impatient. And you go. We're home, Menko. By the way, if you like my tripod, thanks again for watching.